Hey guys, welcome back to Ian Easy. My name is Yulia and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a watermark for your YouTube channel in 2020 step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Now there are two options when creating your watermark for your YouTube channel. The first option is that you can go to the Google search bar and search up YouTube subscribe button image. Once you do this, you can go to the images and you can find a subscribe button, but keep in mind your subscribe button has to be 150 by 150 pixels and it has to be copy left, meaning that it is free to use without the permission of the person who created it. Then you can also go to all and go to a website and choose an image from there to download. Now the second option is that you can go to the Google search bar and search up pretty much any graphic designer website. I'm gonna just go to canva.com. Just gonna bring me to the home page. Then I'm going to go to the search bar and look for custom dimensions. Since it has to be a square and the recommended dimensions are 150 by 150, I'm gonna type that and then I'm gonna press create new design. Now it's gonna bring you to a blank template. You can choose any of these for your watermark, but I prefer to go to backgrounds and choose a color or pretty much any background from here. I'm gonna choose red, so change the background to that. Now you can add any element to your design. So I'm gonna go to element and I'm gonna search up the YouTube logo. Then I can choose any from here, for example this, and I'm going to match the background of this to the background here. Just going to press the image and go to the color. Then I'm going to press the document color and it blends right in. Now I can make this bigger and put it right here. Now I'm gonna go back to the search bar and search up subscribe. Once I do this, it will bring me to many different options of subscribe buttons. I'm just gonna choose this one right here. And I'm gonna match the background to the document again, and I'm gonna make it bigger. Now that it's done, I'm gonna press download and I'm gonna download it as a PNG file. Now that I've downloaded the file, I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel. So once you're on your channel, you can go to the YouTube studio and go to the bottom left corner and press settings. Then underneath general, you can press channel and branding. Now, once you're on branding, it will show you where your video watermark will be, and it will tell you a bit of information. For example, it says here that your format has to be in PNG or a GIF format, and then it has to be 150 by 150 pixels. Then underneath the information, there is choose an image. When you do this, you can pick an image from your file and just open it up. Then there is display time, in which you can add the watermark at the end of the video. at a custom time or for the entire video. I'm going to choose a custom time, and I'm going to choose after 2 seconds. Now if you want to replace your watermark over time, all you have to do is press replace and then choose any other watermark, and then if you just want to remove it entirely, just press remove. Then you can press save and your watermark will be saved. Now if you go to your channel and pick a video, then you will see after whatever time your watermark will appear, and if you put your cursor over it, a person will be able to subscribe to your channel. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and bye!